Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Here is the second lecture of chapter 7, Decimal Fractions. Our today's topic is multiplication by integer. I am going to talk about how to multiply a decimal number by integer. Let me show you a multiplication. Here I am taking two numbers. One is 2.13 and 6. 2.13 is multiplicand and 6 is multiplier. We have to multiply 2.13 by 6. Here 2.13 is the decimal fraction and 6 is the integer. Now I am going to show you how to do multiplication. First of all, write this number vertically. Then multiply this number without thinking the decimal point. Here I multiply 2.13 by 6 and product is 1278. Now I am going to put the decimal point. Now put a decimal point at the same place in the multiplicand. That means here we have the decimal point. Now we put the decimal point direct at the same point. Now we get the result is 12.78. In this way you can solve the multiplication by integer. Now I am going to tell you another system of multiplication. Here is the multiply by 10 and 100. I want to show you that how to multiply a decimal fraction by 10 and 100. There is a small technique, like short technique, to multiply a decimal number by 10 and 100. And the technique is when we multiply a decimal number by 10 and 100, the decimal point moves to the right as many as the number of zeros. When we multiply a decimal number by 10 and 100, the decimal point moves to the right. As many as the number of zeros. Here I am taking a decimal number, that is 2.395, and then I will multiply this number by 10 and then I'll multiply this number by 100. Let me show you how to do the multiplication by 10 and 100. First of all, we know that when we multiply the decimal number by 10 and 100, the decimal point moves to the right as many as the number of 0. So here is 10. So the decimal point moves to the right one digit right. That means decimal point moves to the right one digit right. So that the result will be 23.95. Same way, here is 20 and decimal point is there. We have to move 2 digit right. That means 1 digit, 2 digit, decimal point move to the right. The result will be 239.5. In this way, you can multiply any decimal number by 10 and 100 easily. I hope that now you can do the multiplication by integer and also multiply a decimal number by 10 and 100. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.